Ever wonder how much money a Boeing 747 makes in just one flight? Buckle up, because the numbers will blow your mind. Let's break it down. A 747 can carry around 416 passengers in a typical three-class setup. Average ticket price for a long-haul flight? Around $900. 416 times $900 equals $374,400 in ticket sales per flight. But wait, fuel costs can hit $130,000 for a long-haul trip. Crew wages, maintenance, airport fees, add another $50,000 easy. Total expenses? Roughly $180,000 to $200,000 per flight. Profit? Around $150,000 plus per flight, if the plane's full and everything runs smooth. So yeah, flying a 747 is big business, but high risk, high reward. Would you want to run an airline? Like for more insane money breakdowns of things you thought you knew.